Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our channel Ayurvedam. For further updates and knowledge on Ayurveda, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click bell icon. The lungs are pivotal organs of respiration which carries oxygenated blood to every organ in the body. People with a compromised respiratory system gets triggered upon inhaling harmful toxins and pollutants and show immediate symptoms like coughing, wheezing and watery eyes. With the spreading of coronavirus, it is more important for all of us to safeguard the lungs and boost the respiratory system and shield it from harmful pollutants as well as a deadly virus. Thanks to Mother Nature for offering you a rich array of herbs that are effective in battling the harmful pollutants and promote the health of lungs. Five herbs are astragalus, pipali, licorice, kalameg, vasaka. Astragalus. It is an herb that has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. It has many purported health benefits including immune boosting, anti-aging and anti-inflammatory effects. Astragalus is believed to prolong life and used to treat a wide variety of ailments such as fatigue, allergies, and the common cold. It is also used against heart disease, diabetes, and other conditions. The immune boosting properties of astragalus are effective in treating a common cold, cough, flu, respiratory infections, seasonal allergies, and asthma. Pipali. It is an essential herb used in various Ayurvedic medicines, which is Pippalu in Telugu and Tippili in Tamil. Pipali is an effective home remedy in managing cough and cold. Swallowing Pipali powder along with honey after lunch and dinner releases mucus from the air passages due to its expectorant property, thus allowing the patient to breathe easily. It functions as a counter irritant and lessen inflammation, clears the mucus and nasal congestion. Boil a few pipali in half a glass of milk and drink this concoction to cure a common cold, cough, bronchitis and asthma. Licorice. Licorice is an herb that grows in parts of Europe and Asia. The root is used as medicine, which is Adimaduram in Tamil and Adimaduramu in Telugu. Licorice root can work as an imperative herbal demulcent that shields the respiratory system and soothes the irritated throat. Licorice is an effective herbal supplement that functions to secrete healthy mucus and releases the phlegm and clears the nasal passage. Chew a twig of licorice or drink a mixture of licorice to get instant relief from a sore throat, cough, and other respiratory problems. Kalameg is a plant which is also known as Nilavembu in Tamil and Nilavemu in Telugu. It is used as various medicinal purposes. Kalameg also helps to boost immunity and is used to manage the symptoms of the common cold, sinusitis, and allergies due to its antimicrobial and immunomodulatory properties. Kalameg root and leaf is a proven Ayurvedic remedy used widely for treating several respiratory ailments. The potent anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, antioxidant, and immune stimulatory properties of kalameg is beneficial in treating infection, fever, common cold, cough, flu, and other respiratory problems. Vasaka. It is also known as Adathodai in Tamil, Vasa in Telugu, is a potent Ayurvedic plant that enhances the respiratory system. It works as a strong stimulator of the bronchial system, thereby eliminates excess phlegm from the throat, clears the lungs and improves bronchodilation and treats bronchitis, tuberculosis and other lung disorders. Make a concoction of Vasaka leaves and drink it to get relief from cough and other symptoms of cold. Importance of these herbs are alleviate chest and nasal congestion, soothe irritated throat and air passages, ease symptoms such as cough, sneeze and swollen lip, works as a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. The healing properties of herbs are believed to treat common respiratory problems, protect the lungs from harmful toxins and pollutants, improves overall health and boosts immunity. However, if symptoms get worsen and in severe cases, always seek immediate medical care. धन्यवादः.